going to talk about a kind of strand of work that's happening in a fourth example that I've been working on with Mark Kutze from Work Package 3. So the inner fourth area, so it's an estuary with a rich industrial past that's facing increasing challenges with adaptation to climate change. And the nature-based solution for mitigating these flood and erosion risks is to realign the river edges and bring back some of the salt marsh in the area. So I'm interested in how we can use ecosystem valuation to engage citizens in the development of these nature-based solutions for climate resilience. So policy and practice, they operate in situations that are characterized by things like high uncertainty, long-term drivers, poor public knowledge about the system and the options for action. So typically these ecosystem valuations are done through sort of quick survey format where the participants have to make up their minds quickly. So this type of fast track valuation has certain weaknesses because there's little time to kind of situate issues of concern within the individual's value systems and consider the uncertainties involved and other people's perceptions, kind of lack of social shared value. So the goal of deliberative valuation is to kind of end up with better informed and considered values, and this can be achieved by different steps. So you can share knowledge, allow time for preferences to be discovered and options to be better evaluated, as well as hearing other people's perspectives. So I'm interested in the impacts of deliberative valuation in the context of climate resilience and habitat restoration. So in the example, we've used multiple methods for evaluation, but we used the choice experiment as a way of measuring the impacts of deliberation. So the choice experiment has this is the study area, and the choice experiment has 3 physical attributes, and the kind of different levels of the attributes in the choice survey represented by sites where these changes would happen. And then we had a willingness to donate component to that as well. So these surveys were then they're being done in the 4 towns, and then we're doing workshops in one of the towns just to reduce variability due to location. So I identified the need for deliberation mainly for 2 reasons. So the first reason is more problem-driven, to kind of address the knowledge gaps that the kind of citizens have about climate change adaptation and ecosystem services provided by salt marsh. And the second reason was about capturing the sort of richness of values that people hold for the environment and include existence values, so to kind of capture that we need more time and perspectives to really address that. So the second step was then to kind of describe the gap and the need for deliberation. So I did this through 70 short interviews in these 4 towns, and we surveyed citizen, residents who live near the river and visitors, and that was last summer. So then we used this kind of step of describing the gap to inform the design of the workshops, so that the information that we gave people was critical, but also not widely known on topics like climate change, sea level rise, salt marsh function, and historical change in the So then we went on to kind of address the gap by organising 5 citizen workshops. We had 109 participants, and this was a 5-hour event. The sample population was sort of representative of people living in the area in terms of age, gender, socioeconomics, and we kind of wanted to focus on the low end of the power spectrum, just because this is the group that hadn't been taking part in the decision-making process so far in this estuary area. So we measured their willingness to donate towards estuary changes before and after providing them information about climate change, and also after a 3-hour discussion on natural features in the area, green space, space for nature, as well as estuarine change. And this, the kind of design of some of the exercises was informed by the guidance provided in the cultural ecosystem services module that Tessa's developing. So then I don't have results for you yet in terms of differences in willingness to donate, but there does seem to be people do perceive that their preferences have changed, and they do engage with the information that we provide to them during the discussions. One of the challenges was to kind of to help them understand how climate change is connected with estuary ecosystem services, but overall they do demonstrate sort of deeper consideration and discovery and building of preferences. So I thought I'd just finish with one of my favourite quotes from the participants in the US. So I'm aware that there are wetlands, but I'm not sure where they are. They're definitely important. Poor birds have flown thousands